guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. One of the biggest questions I get asked all the time is, can you help me with a really quick, easy, and delicious meal option? Well, do I have the fastest, most delicious, easy recipe for you, and they are my chicken tenders, okay? So, you can double or triple this recipe. I buy these little thin pieces at my supermarket, okay? And you can call them nuggets or tenders or whatever you want. And I'm using about 5 right now because I've already made some. So you can double, triple, quadruple this recipe. And right now I have my rock grill on. I can't hold it. I'll just zoom into it a little bit so you can see that it has these nice wedges on it, all right? And I've sprayed it really well with some olive oil spray. Now, we've got to season these babies up, okay? So what I have is some onion powder, garlic powder, some oregano, paprika, and this special, delicious, by Clubhouse La Grill, Smoldering Smoke Applewood seasoning. Now, if you have other seasonings, don't worry if you don't have this one, but you can get this at Walmart and different grocery stores everywhere. And we're just gonna simply put it on. And I just like to take my hand and mix it up all together, okay? Really easy and fast. And of course, you can barbecue these, you could bake them, but I love putting them on my rock grill that I actually got from Costco for $30. And it's starting to smoke. We'll just put it down lower. And then just add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. That's it. And then we're just going to put these on our grill. I have it initially on a higher heat so you can hear that nice sizzle. Okay, and again, you can make so many of these. You can pre-marinate it. I'm just going to get my cloth. You can pre-marinate it if you know you're going to be making them for dinner. And honestly, I'm just going to turn it down. You don't need to cook them too high because you want them to be moist and you don't want to dry them out. And really, even if you have a big frying pan, you can use that as well. And it takes maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. That's it, because they're very small and they're quick to cook. So we have it cooking on one side. It's already almost done on one side. I'm just going to show you that you can see, and you can see the lovely grill marks. I'm just going to turn them over. Really quick, like I said, and easy. And in my oven, I'm just going to show you guys because you want a nice balanced meal, right? So I'm making these delicious baby potatoes. I just have these in the oven right now, see? And those are simple to make with onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of olive oil, paprika, salt, pepper, and also some asparagus. So I like to have a well-balanced meal. And you'll see that these babies, here they are, already cooked. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a fast, delicious meal option. You could add these to your salad. You can have it with pasta. You can just have it with potatoes, my smashed potatoes, my cauliflower recipes. I have so many side dishes. It's crazy. So here they are. They're almost ready on that side, but I don't want to rush it. And that's it. That's my recipe. So again, easy peasy, a few ingredients, really quick. Buy these great chicken tenders. They're great for the whole family, for friends, as an hors d'oeuvre even, with a nice little sauce on the side, maybe some mayo, a nice aioli. You could add different things to it. different dips, salad dressing dips, okay, honey, you name it. Like I said, you can do so much with this. So as a meal, side dish, hors d'oeuvre, they are super, super delicious. So tell me what you think, comment below, and love you guys. I'm just gonna put this down. Bye for now, take care.